looking for the best fishing rods, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. KastKing Perigee 2 Fishing Rods. KastKing knows what's up. Let me say that. I've loved every piece of gear I've seen from them, and most users do as well. This carbon fiber spinning rod is sure to continue the trend. Maybe not revolutionary position system. This focuses on the joints of the two-piece rods to make sure they smoothly transfer the bend of the rod from computer-controlled carbon wrapping helps to make sure the rod bends evenly throughout its length. Of course, we expect as much from the rod, but what we don't always expect is a little extra. Number 2. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod with Reel Combo. Beginner angler will get bogged down with all the information you need to process when buying fishing gear. Well, if you're not up for that hassle, this is the kit for you. The PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is a complete fishing kit coming with a fishing line, lures, hooks, sinkers, and a bag. Basically everything you'll need to get started on your newest hobby. The telescopic rod is constructed from high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass, stainless steel hooded reel seats, aluminum oxide guide inserts, and an EVA for grip. The rod and the reel are sturdily built and well worth the money. The additional stuff, however, is not equal in quality. Number 3. UglyStik GX2 Spinning Rod. UglyStik has been one of the most popular rods for anglers for years. I've seen these around more than probably any other rod on the water. Why? Because they're a great spinning rod for the price. That's it. UglyStik has been using their clear fiberglass clear tip on rods for years. This fiberglass segment at the tip is designed to add power and flex to the rod to maximize the responsiveness and strength. These rods are available in ultralight to heavy action and everything in between. I love that there's so many options because it allows anglers to tailor their rods just right. Number 4. Daiwa Minisystem Minispin Ultralight Spinning Wheel and Rod Combo in Hard Carry Case. If you're always on the go, you'll want to be able to take any pop-up fishing opportunities that life throws your way. And the Daiwa Minispin Ultralight Spinning Wheel and Combo is perfect for just that. This fishing rod and reel combo come in an ultra-compact hard case that fits right in under your car seat. The line weight is 2 to 6 pounds, which makes this ideal for panfish and trout, maybe some catfish and largemouth bass. The mini reel has a ball-bearing flaw with this combo is, unfortunately, the case. Putting everything back inside the case is quite difficult. Number 5. Okuma Celilo Graphite Salmon Steelhead Casting Rod. There was a time not so long ago when using a bait casting reel was more of an art than anything else. But now modern reels have magnetic brakes and anti-reverse features that make casting easier than ever. But reel isn't enough, you need to have an next on the market is the Okuma Celilo Graphite Rod. Okuma Celilo Graphite rods are made especially for tournament pros. They're designed to be able to throw heavy baits and catch big bass. These rods are engineered to hit the sweet spot between power and feel, optimizing the length of your cast while you need to feel every nibble. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.